Greetings esteemed clients, dear subscribers. This is ISON Company with you. In this video, I will show you how to use the configurator and select a ready-made video surveillance system for yourself. ISON. This is a ready-made video surveillance kit. It's a very convenient format. Take it out of the box, plug it into the socket, and everything works. How to correctly choose an ISON video surveillance system from more than 1,000 options. So we go to the website isonctv.com. At the bottom left, we click on the Select button. Video surveillance kit. Here you select the number of cameras you need, then click Next. Here you choose what you need the surveillance cameras for indoor use, for outdoor use. A combined option, maybe you need part outdoors, part indoors. There is also a button to show all options. Let's click for outdoor. Next, you choose the purpose. For home, for a cottage, for a store, and so on. Here you select the appropriate category. Why is this necessary? Because there are surveillance systems that are highly specialized, developed, for example, exclusively for construction sites. If your need is different and you want a surveillance system for home, accordingly, you choose the category for home so as not to see other options. Click Next. You could also click View All Options. Regarding night illumination, you choose whether you need the surveillance camera to show quality footage at night or not. You don't need night illumination. Let's select that you do. In almost all cameras, it now comes as a standard feature. Do you need recording or not? That is, will the complete set come with a hard drive or without a hard drive? Without a hard drive, there will be no recording, only online viewing. If recording is needed, choose with a hard drive. Below are also answers to typical questions. Is a motion sensor needed? A motion sensor allows you, firstly, to save space on the hard drive, and secondly, it will be very convenient for you to find the necessary event. For example, you wake up in the morning and realize that someone stole something from your property at night. And so that you don't have to watch the entire archive all night long, you will have a motion sensor enabled, and you will immediately see, for example, that at 2:30 in the morning there was some movement on the second camera. And you will immediately click on that section and instantly see what happened there. Therefore, I always recommend getting all cameras with a motion sensor. Modern surveillance cameras, almost all of them come with a motion sensor. And I recommend immediately setting the cameras to record in motion sensor mode. Do you need viewing from a smartphone? Here, there are options like, yes, I need it. Also, there's an option with 3G, 4G internet support. If you have wired internet at the location, meaning the internet is distributed via cable through fiber optics, then simply choose the first option. If there is no wired internet and the internet is provided via a SIM card, then you will need a surveillance system that supports SIM cards because they have specific IP addresses. Accordingly, you choose this option. Whether you need a notification system on your smartphone, meaning such surveillance systems will have the option to send you email notifications in the spot. So, for example, if there is movement on the second camera, and you can immediately log in and see what exactly is happening there. Let's set it up. Is it needed? Is WDR technology needed? Here below you can see an image. It clearly shows what surveillance cameras without WDR are like and what surveillance cameras with WDR are like. WDR is a technology that solves the problem of poor or incorrect lighting. And I always recommend choosing cameras only with WDR because wherever you place your surveillance cameras several times a day, there will be situations where sunlight will hit the camera lens or conversely, a shadow will fall. And your surveillance cameras without such technology, without WDR, but will be absolutely useless. Therefore, be sure to choose cameras with WDR technology. The next question we have is about DNR technology. Here, you note it. You can also see in the picture what surveillance cameras without this technology look like and what cameras with DNR look like. DNR is a technology that reduces the amount of noise, that is interference, in conditions of night shooting. Therefore, we also definitely choose this technology. ISON on technology is a convenient option so that you don't have to reconfigure your system if the power goes out at your site. That is, a surveillance system with such technology will start up on its own and restore all settings by itself. I also recommend choosing with this technology. And now we see all the options that the configurator has offered us. On the left, there is an additional filter. Here you can select a resolution from 2 to 8 megapixels, wired and wireless. You can choose the sensor. You can also select, for example, zoom here. Whether you want your camera to be rotatable or you want it to have a 5 times zoom. That is, apply additional filters, check if you need them. Then click on the surveillance system you like. There is a configurator here. You can Choose specific replacements for this model. Here I think everything is clear. The description contains detailed information, and there are comprehensive video reviews for each model. If something is unclear to you, you can contact your manager. You can also contact technical support via emails such as info@isonsctv.com or through the feedback form on the website. If you have any questions on this topic, ask them in the comments below this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss a new video.